Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Click to Data Inside YouTube channel. When we talk about the paid search, we are basically talking about the keyword based targeting, where user typing a search term into search engine and our ad appearing. But there is lot of audience data available in Google Ads search campaign where we can use them in our advantage. So today I'm going to talk about two audience layering targeting strategy for Google Ads search campaign and how you can use them to improve the campaign performance. So let's get started. Strategy number 1. Add additional affinity audiences layer in your upper funnel search campaign or ad group. Affinity audiences targeting will help you to raise awareness and drive consideration among those who have already demonstrated a strong interest in a given topic. Earlier affinity audience targeting option available only for display campaign, but now Google has given advertisers that ability to layer affinity audiences in search campaign also. Let's understand this strategy with an example. Let's say you sell a tracking gear. To reach avid trackers like me, you would prepare generic tracking keyword list. But now you can also add affinity audience like outdoor enthusiast in your targeting. By adding this additional audience layer, you can reach people who are not only searching for tracking products but are also passionate about the great outdoors. So what will happen here is that you will be able to attract more quality traffic to your website. Some of them may go down to the funnel and become your customer, and those who haven't taken any further action, you can create a remarketing list and target them with specific message in order to inspire them to return back to your website and take further action. So if your objective is to raise awareness and bring the quality traffic to your website, you should try out this strategy for your upper funnel search campaign or ad group. Let's talk about the second strategy. Add additional seasonal event segments for in-market audiences in your lower funnel search campaign or ad group. If your objective is to get as many conversions as possible during the seasonal event with timely offers, you can add this additional audience layer into your targeting. In-market audiences targeting will help you to reach out the people who are actively researching or comparing products or services like yours. Let's understand with example by Google itself. Toyota wanted to target people who are actively looking to purchase a new car on the occasion of Black Friday and Christmas festival. So what Toyota did? Toyota used the Black Friday and Christmas segments to focus on shoppers who are actively looking for their next car during these seasonal events. By using these segments, the brand saw a 67% increase in conversion rate and a 34% reduction in cost per conversion. So this is worth applying targeting strategy if you are looking to increase your conversion rate during any of this seasonal event. Now the question is, what is the key benefit by applying these strategies? The key benefit is with this audiences layer, you can be sure to focus your budget on users who are most likely to be interested in your product or services, and chances of them to converting into your customers are higher. So let's head over to Google Ads account and understand how to set up these audiences. Click on search campaign where you want to add these audiences. Go to audience tab and click on add audiences. You can add these audiences at a campaign level or at group level. To add affinity and in-market audiences, go to browse. Now click on the affinity audiences and look for the audiences which you would like to add. Like in our example, we want to add outdoor enthusiast. I look for lifestyle and hobby and go down. Yeah, here it is, outdoor enthusiast. I click on it and click save, and your audience will be added. To add seasonal shopping in market audience, go to in market, look for seasonal shopping. Let's go down. Here it is. Here I want to target people who are actively looking to purchase the product which I am offering on the occasion of the Christmas festival. So I'll select the Christmas shopping and click save, and my audiences will be added. So it's very easy to add the audiences, but very important to select the right set of audiences. Two quick tips. Number one, while creating any of the above audiences in Google Ads search campaign, choose the observation option to gain the visibility of how this list of users are interacting with your search campaign. So when you launch the campaign, over a period of time, you will be able to accumulate the data, and once you analyze this data, you will come to know that how this target audience is behaving, and accordingly you can take the action such as modifying the bid for this audience list. Now let's say your audience is performing well, and so you go to bid adjustment column, click on this pencil icon and increase the bid, say 10, 15 or 30%, and your bid will be increased for this audience list. Tip number 2, always analyze the campaign performance once the seasonal event is over, and use that learning while creating the campaign next year during the same time span. This learning will help you to reduce the wasted clicks, and by selecting the right set of audience from the beginning of the campaign itself, and you will be able to save money on lot of unwanted clicks. So that's it guys from my side. Hope you find this video useful. Try out these strategies and share your experience in the comment box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Signing off for now. Thank you so much and have a nice day.